Yun, okay na ba? Testing, testing. Mukhang umaandar naman yan. Let's hope may audio tayo pagkatapos ito. So, hi everyone. I'm Carlos of swimbikeRun.ph. Welcome to our podcast ba matatawag natin dito? Pero hindi, I just thought of shooting an episode kasi for Aquaman Aquathlon 2025, super daming beginners. I think this is the most, if ever last count namin nasa 90 or 91% na first timers. Akalain niyo yun, di ba? So, ang dami rin sumasali yung mga nag-retire na, gusto ulit sumubok. Well, anyway, we decided to shoot this episode kasi ang dami talaga nagka-question sa akin, ang dami nag-send ng DM, which we love and gusto talaga namin sagutin bawat lahat. And we figured by doing this episode na to, let's do this actually for Tryman, Duaman, gawin natin to lagi. So, we figured instead of creating a post, a layout, posting the questions and then our answer, gawin na lang natin episode, diba? So, I'll read here directly yung mga DMs and then I'll try to answer it as best as I could, okay? So, before we begin, Aquaman Aquathlon is the first race of the Go for Gold SBR Tri-Series 2025 Trilogy presented by Vitargo. So, maraming salamat to Go for Gold for being our title sponsor, and of course to Vitargo for stepping up, and then sila naman yung presenter natin this year. So, start na tayo. Sobrang wild ng mga questions natin. Yung iba, I'll just try to answer as best as I can. So, eto na. Dito muna tayo sa inbox ni Aquaman Aquathlon. Yan. So, nakakatuwa. Kung kaya lang namin talaga gawa ng layout to para syempre natutuwa rin yung iba, oy, na-post kami and everything. Ayan. So, basa tayo na una. Ito. Hanap tayo. Let's say. Hindi ko alam kung ba't ito yung una natin nabasa. Sir Carlos, hi. Napansin namin hindi umabot ng 500 reacts and likes yung post ng team mo regarding sa demo na Langoy Aso. Gagawin nyo pa gagawin nyo pa rin ba? Sige, gagawin natin. Sige, magde-demo tayo paano yung Langoy Aso na yan. By the way, sinabi ko kasi i-promote nila yung race. So, ewan ko ba't yan ang ginawa nila. Ewan mo kung ang dami naman nag-react. So, sige, gagawin natin yan. Okay, so eto, next. Super newbie po. Tanong ko lang what time po start ng race sa May 11. Na-check ko na po sa website, wala pa po time. Ayun. So, the reason why wala pang time yan because we're still finalizing yung wave starts and everything and we'll get that after the registration. So, Saturday, ito yung basic schedule. Saturday, we'll have race kit claiming at Sante Fitness Lab sa Vermosa. So that's Saturday from 10 a.m. to the usual natin schedule ata, up to 6, something like that. So we'll post it. We'll post all of it. And then on race day, we will have a 1-hour race kit claiming. So 1 hour lang yon. So we highly suggest, if you can, get your race kit na, especially if it's your first time, get your race kit on Saturday at Sante Fitness Lab. So, at least pagising nyo ng Sunday, relax na lang kayo, 'di ba? Pupunta na lang kayo sa transition, rack yung bike nyo, you're all ready. Ay, bike nyo, lagay nyo yung helmet nyo, wala palang bike rack because this is an aquathlon. So, lagay nyo na lang yung gamit nyo sa transition, then that's it. Ready na lang kayo. You don't have to wake up so early. So, yun. Next, hanap tayo. Ang dami kasi yung iba na read ko na and na-replyan ko na. Ayan, ito pa. I-deliver po ba race kit for Aquaman Aquathlon? Nope, we do not deliver race kits. It will be picked up. You have to pick it up yourself along with a valid ID. And if you wanna claim, kung di kayo makakapunta, you can have it. You have the option to have it claimed via a representative. Lagay lang kayo ng authorization letter. So, we'll post everything about that. Don't worry. What is the typical program start and end time for Aquaman Aquathlon? So, like what we said, we're still finalizing the participants. Pero if you can check out the 2024 and 2023 race editions, we posted the wave start times. So for the beginners, you will not go lahat kayo 500 plus in one go. You will be staggered via age groups. So ang gagawin natin this year, instead of the light yung uunahin natin the full participants. Of course, bago yung full, yung kids muna. They will be the highlight of the show. So we have at least 100 kids as of last count. So super daming kids natin. We're very excited about that. Tapos full distance muna and then the light distance. All in all, last year, we were able to finish the race and conclude the awarding by 9:30. 10 o'clock, wala na kami sa Vermosa. So, we're hoping we can end it earlier para smooth talaga lahat. Okay? Ano pa? Ito, pamatay. Sir, beginner po sa swim, pwede po ba magpahinga pag napagod? Yes, pwede magpahinga. That's one of the reasons why we highly stressed, di ba? Nakikita nyo naman sa post namin na parang take your time. If this is your first race, huwag kayo magmadali. Just enjoy the race. Just enjoy the experience. You know, make mistakes. Make every mistake possible. Kasi as you go along in your journey here sa multisport, mas gagaling na rin kayo. And dito, matututunan nyo na what to do, what you can improve on, and everything. So, pag napagod kayo sa swim, may mga sa dulo niyan ng bawat lap, when you get back, magkakaroon kami ng tungtungan. So, pwede naman kayo tumayo doon. And you can hang on the ropes kung talagang pagod na. Huwag niyong pilitin, please. We're hoping once again makatapos tayo with a 100% finishing rate. Okay? Kasi gaya nga na sinasabi namin, wala na kaming gagawin sa medal and finisher shirt. Para sa inyo yun. Bilang na yun, hindi naman namin gagamitin yun. So, might as well pamigay na lang namin. And you deserve it, diba? So, yun lang. And sa run, just make sure on our end, we will make sure na everything is there. Super loaded ng tubig yan, super loaded ng hydration, everything that you need to finish the run. And yes, wala po tayong cut-off time kasi ito, nabasa ko, totoo po bang walang cut-off time? Yes, totoo po yan. Totoo po ang chismis. Actually, hindi po chismis yan. All our races since 2013, never nagkaroon ng cut-off time. The reason is, gusto namin talaga ma-encourage lahat to experience what it's like doing a multisport race, and hopefully to get you hooked and to get you living a more healthier lifestyle. And yeah, and of course, if we're doing this, maraming sasali, maraming mahuhook, matutulungan namin yung ecosystem, yung mga coaches, magkaka-athlete sila, yung mga shops, diba, magkakaroon sila ng customers, yung mga bigger races, magkakaroon sila ng participants. So, marami tayong mga advocacies why we're doing this. Of course, syempre, yung mga PWDs. By the way, ito. Yung mga PWDs, they'll be doing a comeback this year. So, sasali uli sila. Yung mga nakita nyo, di ba? Pag ako ng pool, disabled talaga sila. Walang paa. And isa lang kamay. Pero nag-swim, natapos. And the catch is, ginagawa namin sila dapat a special wave. Sabi nila sa akin, no, we don't want a special wave. Gusto namin kasama namin yung mga able-bodied. So, yun, super nice. So yun, totoo po, wala po tayong cut-off time. Take your time po. Actually, in fairness, lagi naman na sinasabi, meron naman talaga kaming cut-off time. Kailangan na namin umalis Vermosa. Pero that's around 12 p.m. And kung umabot ka ng 12 p.m., 6 o'clock ka nag-start, 12 p.m. na, nasa race ka pa, dadaanan ka na rin namin try ka namin kausapin, bro or sis, me, yan, di ba, Mare, baka gusto mong kain na lang tayo, di ba? Tama na yan, bibigay na lang yung medal mo sa'yo. Kain na tayo, masyado na mainit. Ayan, joke lang. Pero hintayin namin talaga kayo lahat. So, we've done that since 2013 and we plan on doing it till our next future races. Okay. Open pa po ba yung registration? Yes. The registration is open until this Sunday. Yun. Tapos after ng Sunday, wala na. We will cut it off na kasi so we can have a smooth race. Yun naman lagi namin sinasabi para maayos yung start list, maayos lahat yung race, so kumpleto yung supplies, and that will give us a clear two-week gap to race day. Yeah. How do I register for Aquaman this 2025? Ayan, so I couldn't find the link sa website. Oh, sorry about that. Actually, binago namin yung format, and yes, maraming na lito yata it seems. But you can just visit our website and then click the Aquaman logo there and or visit, type in on your browser bit.ly/Aquaman Aquathlon 2025. Yun. So, or you can just search on the website Aquaman Aquathlon or on Google. Yan, lalabas yan. Next natin. Ito, malupit. Sir, ano po ang susuotin ko? Ito yung pinost ko, medyo wild to. Kaya, dinecide ko na gumawa ng Q&A. First time ko po mag-Aquaman Aquathlon. Ito. My name is... Okay, I registered na po. Question lang. Nagsusuot po ba ng pan under a cycling short para sa swim, para sa run? Hindi po kasi ako comfortable na cycling short lang. Actually, hindi ko rin po alam kung paano sasagutin to. Yung pan, yung nag-message po, babae. So, sa lalaki po kasi, suot namin yung tri-suit lang. Okay na yun. Then yun na rin yung gamit namin sa run. Doesn't matter kung short or long, but we don't wear underwear na or briefs or something. Tri-suit na lang or tri-shorts, whatever is comfortable. And then sa babae, I just don't know how it goes, pero I'm assuming it is the same. So I'm hoping kung may makakatulong sa amin dyan, please pakisagot si ma'am. Pero siguro pwede naman wala ng pan, di ba? Ayan. Oh, anyway, thanks for ano. Ayan. Hi, question po sa team relay category. Both members po ba mag-swim and run or yung isa swim and sa run? Good question. So, how the relay works, one will swim and then one will run. So, and then you're gonna do the full distance, okay? So, yeah, you will not go together. You will not do the race together, but one will swim, one will run. Same goes to the duo-man and then tri-man. One will swim. Sa duo-man and tri-man, we have the option of two-man relay or three-man relay. So, sa duo-man, say for example, you have the option to yung isa doon, dalawa gagawin, dalawang run, or isang bike, or pwede three-man relay, yung isa magra-run, yung isa magba-bike, and yung isa naman magra-run ulit. Same sa tri-man, yung isa magsa-swim, magba-bike, and yung isa magra-run. Okay? So, that's it. Hanap pa tayo na ibang question. Siguro let's do mga 10? Okay na to. Okay. By the way, keep those questions coming kasi sobrang nakakatuwa talaga basahin. And we're just hoping, diba? Ang daming enthusiastic and we're very thankful for that. I just hope ma-repay namin yan with a good race experience with you guys. Ayan. So, hanap pa tayo ng questions. Ayan. Pwede po ba mag-fins? Hindi po pwede. You cannot swim with fins. Kailangan po swimsuit lang, tapos kayo goggles and everything. By the way, magkakaroon kayo ng swim cap which is sponsored by Hoob. Thank you, Hoob. Yan. So magkakaroon kayo ng swim cap. We're gonna give away swim caps. Makukuha nyo yun on Race Kit Claiming. Yan. So yun. Kung you may opt not to use it if you want. Kung meron kayong comfortable, lalo na sa mga kids, kuwari, malaki siya or something. Kung meron kayong swim cap na you want to use, we're not so strict on that naman. Pero syempre, if you want to use it, gamitin nyo na, sayang naman. So, hanap pa tayo. Nakalagay lang kasi dito yung mga unread eh, but click natin yung mga ano. Ito pa. Ano pa yung mga ibang questions? Click natin yung unread para hindi ko pa nababasa. Yan. Ito, malupit. From Chand. Good evening po. Nabasa ko. Hindi po ako pwede sa race day on May 11. Baka po pwede i-move sa October 27 ang event. Baka marami pong magalit sa atin, boss, kung i-move natin. But we're hoping you can still make it. And who knows, October, baka may isa pang Aquaman. Diba? So, isa pa. Let's see. Hanap tayo dito. Pag wala pa, let's go to the swim bike run inbox. Yan, wala na. So, punta tayo dito. Hanap tayo ng mga unread. Ha? Ito. And yan. Kay Ma'am Julian. Kanina lang to, 11:54 a.m. Pwede po ba yung marunong lang mag-swim or need po talaga may training before sumali sa May 11 Aquathlon? So yun, pwede po ba mag-register kahit wala pang training pero marunong mag-swim? Gusto ko lang mag-try talaga kung anong feeling makatapos kahit light distance lang. So ito yung sagot namin sa kanya. Hi ma'am, open po for all ang races namin. It's not for if not for the win naman, you're more than welcome to join. Tapos sagot niya, strict po ba na dapat suotin ay tri-suit or pwede decent swimwear? Any swimwear will do. Yun. So yeah. Ang sagot naman niya, pwede mo mag-register kahit wala pang training. Yes, ang sagot namin, this is exactly what the event is for po. Light distance is perfect for those starting. So yun, kung gusto mo lang sumubok, lumalangoy ka naman and then tumatakbo ka, you want to combine the two, you just want to experience multisport for fun, the thrill of it. And of course, kung medyo nabubudol ka na dyan, peer pressure mo, nagkasalihan sila, you're welcome to join. So we have 4 more days, then tomorrow last 3 days to register. Hanap pa tayo ng mga ng questions dito. Ano pa ba? Ayan. So, how can I register? Ito, ngayon lang. Thank you. So, yun. If you want to register for Aquaman, you can just visit the website at swimbikeRun.ph and then just key in there. Makikita mo naman yung mga Aquaman na links doon. Or kung hindi mo makita, just search in Aquaman Aquathlon 2025 or just search on Google Aquaman Aquathlon 2025 and you'll be directed to the registration portal. Ito, sir, ano po modes of payment? You have the option to pay via GCash, and then you can also pay via credit card and you can also pay via bank deposit or bank transfer. It's all up to you. We gave all the options there. Ito, maganda tong question na to. Meron po bang meron po bang same day? Pwede po ba mag-register sa day ng race? No, unfortunately, we do not allow that. You cannot register anymore pag race day na. Unless may buffer kami, you can simply approach the registration. Pero buffer registrations are for yung mga kunwari may hindi na encode properly or something. Pero as much as possible, we will close the registration on Sunday and that's final na. Kasi we need to account for the shirts, the medals, and everything, and that's all being produced now, di ba? Yeah. Ano pa? Yung mga questions. So, kung meron kayo tanong, send nyo lang. Ito, 2025 pa pala to. Yan. Hanap tayo. We're searching. Is the race beginner friendly? Yes po, super beginner friendly. I think we are one of the few races na talagang ginawa for beginners talaga. And we're proud to have started it and to continue it till now. Till ngayon, di ba? So 2013, ilang taon na rin tayo, 1 decade na rin. So maraming salamat. We're very thankful for that. So eto pa. Hanap tayo. Yung iba kasing mga questions sa DM tungkol sa mga registration. And we have answered that already. I think we have nalinis na natin. For beginners, yes, for beginners po. Meron po ba kayong alam saan pwede bumili ng goggles? Marami dyan. You can try, syempre sa sponsor natin sa Hub, you can visit the Any Unison branch and the bike shop and may display sila ng Hub there. By the way, isa pang exciting part pala with Vitargo naman, our presenter. They'll be launching in this series yung energy gel nila, di ba? So sobrang sikat si Vitargo for the carb energy drink And guess what? Meron na silang energy gel. So just visit Vitargo if you wanna purchase, if you wanna get your own and try it before the race. And then, yun. Thank you, Vitargo. Next, I think na-clear na natin. So, one last sweep sa Aquathlon na page. Yan. Ito. Super newbie po. Uy, 2 p.m. lang. Yan. Shoutout na kita, Ma'am Caitlin. Yan. Super newbie question po. It's my first time kasi. When it comes to the swim, is it okay to stop in the middle or is that grounds for disqualification? I've been training in 25-meter pools, so I'm not that confident yet with a 50-meter one. Grabe, talagang ang haba na question niya. So, dapat sagutin natin ito. Well, thank you for that question. Thank you for that beautiful question, Ma'am Caitlin. And yes, pwede po kayong huminto. Kung nasanay po kayo sa 25-meter pool, and then sanay kayo, may kick-off, di ba? Ito ang haba, Vermosa kasi. Pwede kayo huminto. Pagod na kayo, pahinga kayo, kapit kayo. Hindi po yung grounds for disqualification. Actually, grounds yun for attention. So, isa-shout out namin kayo to go on. Yan, i-cheer talaga kayo. Once you see the race, I think ako as an organizer, gusto ko rin sumali talaga sa race ko just to experience it. Iba talaga yung community ng mga Aquaman, Duaman, Triman, and what we built here. We're very proud of it. And then, ayun, talagang chini-cheer nila yung bawat isa kasi nga, di ba, kaya nagpapatawa na lang kami sa mga post namin. Sabi, huwag niyo masyadong bilisan kasi pag binilasan niyo, bakit? Blurred kayo sa picture. May chance kayong blurred. Although, magaling naman yung photographers natin dyan. So, wala po. I'm not that confident with 50-meter one. We're confident na matatapos niyo po yan. So, just make sure gawin niyo po yung mga technique that we posted before, yung video, kick off po para when you get out of the water, nasa 15 meters na kayo at least. Ayan. So, Ma'am Caitlin, good luck. Next, hanap pa tayo. Last sweep. Pwede po ba mag-fins? Tapos na. May recommendations po sila saan pwede makabili ng suit pang swim and run. Sorry, first timer lang po sa Aquathlon. So, you can just search po for tri-suits or any swimsuit. So, sa babae naman po, kasi if you wanna swim using a swimsuit, one piece, we highly recommend using a one piece imbes na two piece kasi must start, diba? So, you can just leave your shorts at the transition area, tapos mag-shorts na kayo dun for the run, di ba? Kung ayaw nyo pang tumakbo na naka-swimsuit lang. Pero makikita nyo sa race, ang dami tumatakbo naka-swimsuit lang, mga ganun. Wala namang, hindi naman, very supportive naman yung community natin. And of course, they respect each other. Ayan. So, paano po yung transition area? Ito. From Joy. Paano po yung transition area? Doon po ba namin iiwan ang gamit namin? Ayun. So, explain ko lang how it goes. So, yung race natin, before you start, papasok kayo sa transition area. So, we call it transition area kasi that's where you will change from one discipline to another. Let's say, in an aquathlon, that's a swim and then a run. And then for a triathlon, swim, bike, and run. Diba? So, sa transition area, you will leave there your running shoes, your shades, if you use that for running, and visor, cap, and yung mga hydrations nyo, kung may gusto kayo, you can leave that in your spot in the transition area. There will be a basket with your number. Doon kayo pupunta. And then sa swim, dala-dala nyo lang doon is yung goggles and then yung swimsuit nyo. And then, paano yung race bib? Diba? Yung bib na number. You have the option to pin that sa jersey nyo or sa tri-suit nyo. Pero kung wala naman, we have SBR race belts that will be available sa Race Kit Claiming. If you want to reserve, you can just send us a DM para ma-reserve na kayo. Kasi we only had 300 pieces made or 100 na lang yata kasi ginamit na namin from last year. So, if you want to reserve your own race belt, so yung race belt, ipapost namin yon, doon nyo ikakabit yung race number nyo para pagka tapos yung mag-swim, nasuot yun na yung sapatos nyo, nakapag-shades na kayo, and then shoes, yung race belt, yung race bib nyo, imbes na ipipin nyo pa, 'Di ba? Kasi you cannot swim with a bib. Ano yun? Aside from pwede matanggal, delikado. Baka ma-pinch kayo ng pin and everything. So, you can just put that on the race belt and then yung race belt, balot nyo sa katawan, you clip it and then off you go. Ayan. So, if you want, just send us a DM and then we'll reserve one for you. Ayan. Last, siguro, ito. Yung mga iba nagpo-post ng training eh. Ayan. So, by the way, we posted yung mga cards tawag namin ito, reg card. So, yung mga I'm racing, I'm back, yung mga ganon, I'm joining. So, crop nyo lang edit nyo lang with your picture and then just tag us. By the way, sa mga nagpo-post, just tag us. Collaborator request, we'll accept everything and then we'll share your post. Para naman, syempre, ganahan din kayo. And of course, maengganyo yung iba na sumali rin and join you in your journey. Ito ulit. Ito. From Patotot. Tuesday pa to. Sorry. Ngayon lang namin nabasa kasi we're really getting flooded with DMs, which is okay. So, sabi ni Patotot, hello, first-timer po and slow swimmer here. Are we allowed to rest or stop during the swim leg? We answered that already. Yes, yes. Ano po ang estimated time start ng age group 40+? We're still finalizing that. We will release it once makuha namin. Pero full distance will go first. And then yung mga seniors po natin, mga VIP natin, gagawin natin tradition na unang wave sila. Okay? And then, same sa awarding, uunahin natin sila. We call them the VIPs. Are Speedo shorts not trunks allowed? Yes, that's allowed. Swimwear naman siya. Pero, we just have to say may drag yun pag yung shorts. Diba? So, or any loose-fitting outfit. So, you can swim with that if you want. Wag lang yung cotton kasi Vermosa will not allow that. Is rash guard required? No, hindi po required. Pero kung ayaw nyo mangitim, kayo po, mag-rash guard po kayo hanggang dito para pagkatapos nyo, di ba? Para artista pa rin. Maputi, hindi kayo nangitim. Yan. Next. May I know what are the top 2 age groups that have the most participants? Aba, nag-ano na to. Si paring Henry. Yan. So Henry lang para hindi na sabihin yung surname para walang laglagan. That have the most participants. So far, a curious 35-39er. Based on history, 35-39er pinakamaraming participants. And also 25-29. Yan. So, is it possible to do a practice swim at Vermosa this weekend or is it close to the public? Needs lane reservations. I'm pretty sure Vermosa is open. By the way, thank you to Ayala Vermosa Sports Hub for being our official venue partner. Napakagandang venue and maraming salamat to the Vermosa team there, Ma'am Lani and everyone else. By the way, pwede kayong mag-book. Doon kami mag-i-stay. Book at Athlete's House. So you can book there. May discount if you're a participant of the race. Just show your registration form. We highly recommend kung first time nyo and everything, mag-book na kayo doon kasi limited rooms lang. And then, pag gising nyo, hindi na kayo babiyahe, labas na lang kayo, andun na yung transition area. Okay? And, di ko nasagot. Can you do a practice swim? I'm pretty sure it's open. So, just book there. I'm not so sure of the process now how to book. Pero, I think kasi may mga time slots, di ba? I don't swim that much at Vermosa kasi. So, punta lang kayo doon. And that's it. You can call them, I think, also. Or message them on FB. Ito pa. Hanap pa tayo dito. Sir, I'm sobrang looking forward sa ice cold sponges. See you on race day. We have representatives from Zero Multisport. Yun. Kita mo nga naman. Zero Multisport. Shout out. One of the Arsuki. Yan, sali na sali. So, ayan, so hydrations po natin, we know, di ba, past few days, sobrang init. And the way we organize races, if we have 500 participants, we allot aid stations for 800. Ganun karami. So, whatever happens, ubusin yung aid stations dyan. Ayaw namin naman nainitan, ayaw namin nagkukulang ng tubig. Thankfully, never pa since 2013, never pa kami nagkulang ng tubig. So, we're very thankful for that sa mga technical team namin and sa suppliers. So, this year, i-up pa namin kung Oplan, last year, Oplan Antarctica. This year, Oplan Pulmonia. Alam mo yung pagkatapos mo mag-race, uy, linis ko na, dahil ang dami ko na naligo. Kulang na lang, magsabon na ako doon. Pwede na umuwi diretsyo. Pero yun, sobrang lamig na tubig, ice sponges and everything. So, Kumpleto lahat yan. Everything that you need to finish the race, we will provide. Okay? So, last two. Harap tayo last two. Parang podcast na rin pala to. 30 minutes. 30 minutes na. Ayan. So, shirt sizes. You can visit the page and then tab 4 yata. You can just simply click the drop down so yung mga race collaterals. You can search there yung shirt sizes. Okay? Ayan. Isa pa. Good morning, I have a question. Kasi yung kasama ko po had an injury. Nako, sayang, kawawa naman. Pero she had already registered. Anything we can do about this? If ever ba, pwede po i-sell? Yung slot race kit to others, you cannot sell it. Don't sell it na lang kasi, or kung gusto nyo, just email us swimbikeRun.ph. The way to do it properly is to contact us and then we'll give you the information how to transfer the slot. Okay, may fee lang yan but it's very minimal. But you cannot race using someone else's race bib. So yun po, hindi po pwede yan. Okay. Ano pa? Last. Ito. Thank you SBR sa mga posts nyo. I upgraded to full distance from 2023 light. Kita mo na? Yun pa sinasabi namin. So, yan. So, 2023 si Boss Michael to. Yan. Ang question niya, how do you add the transition time in race time? Is it added the swim, run, or overall time? So we add the swim and the transition time. So siya nag-upgrade siya from 2023 light. Ngayon, he's gonna do the full distance. So good luck, sir. Ang dami namin ganyan. Just to share why we keep doing this. Kasi ang dami na actually nag-Ironman. Tapos have gone to join longer races and then nag-start sa amin. So we're very happy about that. Best example, si Clara Dorna. Biruin nyo naman, SEA Games gold medalist, diba? Shout out to Claire. And then she has also her very own 1% coaching. So, she has her own coaching business now. Nag-start siya. Very first multisport race. I will never forget it. Nag-start siya, sir, can I join? First time po. Okay, sabi ko, sige. National team ko. No. Sige. We'll give you a slot. I don't know if we gave it or nagbayad siya. Pero, ayun. She went on to become an elite athlete, join the national team, and the rest is history. Ayan. So, last na. Ano pa tayo dito? Feeling ko naubos na natin. Okay, last sweep. Ayan, yung mga iba kasi dito, mga tags na tinatags kami ito sinishare namin. So, again, if you're uploading pictures of you training or yung mga group nyo, if you want to shout out, just send us your pictures, yung team pictures nyo, and then we'll post it along with your team name. And then yung mga stories nyo, please tag us. Yung mga reels, tag and use collaborator. And use as collaborator and then i-reply na. Ito, may mga new question pa. Yung iba for Duaman na. So, I think that's it. So, kung may hindi pa ako nasagot, feel free to ask in our DMs. So, yun na. One final sweep. This is me. Ito, sir, may pictures po ba uli? Yes, may pictures. So, kaya sinasabi namin, wag na kayo magmadali. Kasi naman tumakbo kayong ganun, di ba? Tapos, pagdating nyo sa finish line, laspag kayo, di ba? Maganda yung pagdating nyo na finish line, lagi nga namin sinasabi. If not for the win naman, pagdating nyo na finish line, malapit na kayo, zip nyo na yung tri-suit nyo, yung zipper, ayusin nyo na yung hair nyo and everything, fix your shades, make sure hindi siya nakaganyan. Yung sobrang laspag na kayo, tako kayo na tako. So make sure maayos na siya. And then just enjoy the race, have fun, and we hope everyone can finish it. Yun talaga ang dream namin. And to always have a 100% finishing rate. And by doing this, we hope na nakakatulong kami to alleviate yung mga concerns nyo kasi iba, first-timers, and we know naman na nakakaba talaga. That's what we felt also nung baguhan kami. That's why we made the SBR Tri-Series. Yeah, so that's my journey rin kasi. Nag-start ako sa Aquaman, Duaman, and then Triman. not my races, pero I mean aquathlon, duathlon, triathlon. So, last final sweep, baka may pahabol pa. Wala na. So, that's it guys. So, maraming salamat. This is Carlos of swimbikeRun.ph and we're very excited to see all of you on race day. So, last 3 days to register, starting tomorrow. We close registrations on Sunday. So, thank you. Bye.